In this video, we will see how to install Laravel framework on Windows 10 operating system. Laravel is a free open source PHP based framework for building web applications. So let us see how we can install Laravel on Windows 10 operating system. In order to use Laravel, your system must have PHP and Composer installed in it. So before installing Laravel, we will install PHP and Composer, which is a dependency manager for PHP. Let us install PHP first. If you already have PHP installed in your system, you can skip this step and proceed to Composer installation step. The timestamps are mentioned in the description box. Open your browser and search PHP. Click on this link from php.net, which is the official PHP website. Here you can see PHP 8.4 is the latest version at the current time. Click download. Under current stable PHP 8.4.7, Windows downloads link is available. Click on that. Here you can see two sections are shown. First one is PHP non-thread safe version and second one is PHP thread safe version. We will be downloading the thread safe version of PHP. Click on the zip link below the thread safe version. This will start downloading PHP. Once the download is finished, open the zip file we have downloaded. Right click and select extract into folder. Here is the extracted folder. I will rename this to a shorter name for ease of use, say PHP 8.4.7. Copy this folder, go to C drive and paste it there. If asked for permissions, click continue. The folder is copied. Let us go inside the folder. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see PHP executable located here. We will copy this path where php.exe is located to system path. This will allow other programs in the system locate PHP installation. Click the path in the Explorer, right click and select copy. Go to search and type env. You can see edit system environment link here. Click on that. Click on environment variables. Select path. Click edit button. Click new. Paste the path we have copied. Click OK. OK and OK again. Open a new command prompt. Run this command php space -- version. You can see PHP version 8.4.7 is installed. Our next step is to install Composer. If you have Composer already installed in your system, you can skip this step and proceed to the Laravel installation step. I have mentioned timestamps in the description. Open your browser and search Composer. Go to getcomposer.org. Click download link. Under the Windows installer section, click on Composer Setup.exe link. This will start downloading Composer setup file. Wait until download is complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Double-click the downloaded file, Composer Setup.exe. Click Install for all users. The setup will confirm, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your system? Click Yes to confirm. You can skip this. Click Next. Composer setup has detected the PHP installation path. You can see here. Click Next. You can skip this. Click Next. Setup is ready to install Composer. Click Install. Wait while setup completes the installation. Please read this information. You must open a new terminal window to start using Composer for the first time. Click Next. Composer installation is complete. Click Finish. Open a new command prompt. Type this command, Composer space -- version, and press enter. You can see Composer version 2.8.9 is installed. If you run just Composer, you can see a list of commands associated with Composer. So far, we have installed PHP and Composer in our system. Now we are ready to install Laravel. Now we are ready to install Laravel. First of all, I will create a project folder on my desktop. I will name it as Laravel-projects. Open the folder. Staying inside the folder, type cmd in URL and press enter. This will open our new project folder inside the terminal. Our next step is to install Laravel installer, and we will use Laravel installer to create a new Laravel project. We typically install the Laravel installer globally inside the system. Hence, the Laravel installer is accessible for all system users, and they can create new Laravel projects using the Laravel installer. To install the Laravel installer globally, type this command, Composer global require Laravel /installer and press enter. Wait while Composer installs the Laravel installer. Composer has completed installing the Laravel installer. I will clear the terminal. Now we will use the Laravel installer and create a new Laravel project. Please note we are inside Laravel-projects folder inside the command prompt. To create a new Laravel project, use this command Laravel new, then name of the project. Let us name it as Laravel-project1. Press enter. The Laravel installer setup has started. The setup will ask if you want to install a starter kit. Default is none. We will select none for now. So press enter. None is the default option. Which testing framework do you prefer? Default is best, but I will choose PHP unit here. Type 1 and press enter. The Laravel installer is downloading Laravel and creating a new Laravel project with the name Laravel-project1. This may take some time. Wait until the installation is complete. Setup will ask which database will your application use. Default is SQLite. I will keep the default database SQLite and will just press enter. Remember, for this to work, SQLite must be installed in your system. If you don't have SQLite installed in your system, I have another video on how to install SQLite database on Windows 10. I will put the link in the description. You can follow that video to install SQLite first and come back to this video. Also, you can select any other database from the list as you wish, but please make sure that particular database system is installed in your system. otherwise this will not work. So I will press enter here to select SQLite. The installer has run some migrations. That means a new database will be created with the name Laravel-project1, and some tables like users and jobs will be created inside the database. The next step, installer is asking, would you like to run npm install and npm run build? What these commands will do is install all dependencies required by the front end of the project. Also, it will compile the front end assets. To run npm commands, your system must have npm or Node Package Manager installed. npm is a dependency manager for Node.js. If you don't have npm installed in your system, I have another video on how to install npm and Node.js on Windows 10. I will put the link in the description, so please watch that video to install npm. Here I will answer yes, which is the default, so I will just press enter. Next step is go to new Laravel project folder. cd Laravel-project1 and press enter. Now run this command. Composer run dev and press enter. Command is executed. Command is executed. New Laravel project is running at 127.0.0.1 on port number 8000. I will call this address in browser 127.0.0.1:8000, which is the port number on which our Laravel app is running. So this is the front end of our new Laravel project. To stop the Laravel development server, go to command prompt again and press Ctrl and C. This will stop the running app. So this is how you can download and install Laravel on Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.